Hey foodies, welcome back to Amma's cooking recipes. Today we'll prepare a super tasty rasam recipe. It's a immunity booster and we can get a relief from cold and cough also. It's a super tasty rasam recipe. Let's get into the recipe. Here in a pan I just adding a 1 tablespoon of toor dal. I just gonna fry in a low flame only. Once toor dal fried, I just add the 2 tablespoon of coriander seeds and half tablespoon of zeera, and here I just adding a 10 to 15 pepper and just fry once, and I just added a 5 red chilli in this way. Fry nicely and let it cool down completely, and add into the mixie jar. In a mixie jar I just added a 10 garlic cloves and some curry leaves. I will make the just fine powder. Here I taken a 2 cups of water. In this 2 cups of water I just adding a 2 big tomatoes. I just gonna cut in this way. Let it cook in a medium high flame for 5 minutes. Once tomatoes boiled, switch off the flame and just add some tamarind and let it cool down. Once cool down, add the tomatoes and tamarind in a mixie jar. Make a fine paste. Don't use the water, just tamarind and tomatoes only will make the paste. Here our paste is ready. Add this water also and just mix once and keep it aside. Now we'll give a good tadka for our rasam. Here I just added 1 tablespoon of oil, some zeera and some mustard and 2 red chillies and some curry leaves. Here I just adding a half teaspoon of hing is a feta. Just fry nicely. In this hot tadka I just adding the rasam. Add some more water if required. I just adding the rasam powder also already prepared. Add some salt. Just boil 5 minutes only. No need to boil more than that in a medium flame. Here our rasam started boiling. I just adding some coriander leaves. Just cook for 1 to 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Here is our super tasty and healthy rasam recipe. We can have this rasam with rice, or we can drink like a soup also. Thanks for watching.